Hey everybody, PourMan here at the Coyote Bar and Grill in San Diego, California. And what we're going to do, well, you know what I do, right? I circle the globe looking for the most exotic, best tasting drinks all over the world. And that's what brought us to San Diego today. Today, we're at the Coyote Bar and Grill. And my boy, we'll pick it up here. My boy Johnny here is going to make a Jordan's Blood Orange for us. And you know what? It is going to be fantastic because it is, right, Johnny?
Because it is. Yeah.
Go.
Got it. All right. My first step, salt the glass. Is it all good? I build this drink in a tin, and I start out with 2 ounces of Hornitos Plata. 2 ounces in. Then next, I'm going to take the Sedona orange liqueur, blood orange liqueur. Splash of agave. We come over here, cut a lime, some fresh lime juice in there.
Only the freshest ingredients here at the Coyote.
Only the freshest. Squeeze that in there like that. Next, I'm gonna come right here, grab some cranberry juice, some orange juice. Just a little splash.
Two-handed, baby.
Yeah. Shake it. Pour it in.
Nice technique.
All set.
That's it?
That's it.
Man, that is awesome. This is the Jordan's Blood Orange here at the Coyote Bar and Grill, San Diego, California. Let's see how you did. That is good. I think even reading your manager would approve. To get the recipe for these and all other PourMan drinks, just go to my website, PourManMike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gives you a head of the line speed pass for each and every PourMan episode and some other cool stuff as we go along. So until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.